Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a scooter that can go 12 miles per hour and up to 35 miles on a single charge. It's called the Triaxe Sport. Now, we have several other videos, including an unboxing video, repair videos, maintenance videos, and more. If you want to see them, check out the playlist link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. So again, the Triaxe Sport is really fast. In fact, there's only one other scooter out there called the Mighty Mini that can go faster. It goes 21 miles per hour. Now, we have a video coming out soon comparing those two models together, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. Not only will you get notified when our new video comes out, but you could be the next winner of a free mobility scooter. That's right, all you have to do is subscribe and comment and you could win a mobility scooter. Something else that I love about the Triaxe Sport is that it's super easy to transport. In fact, it's probably one of my favorite things about it. It's just how easy it is to fold and unfold and to transport it, whether it's in the trunk of a car, SUV cargo space, wherever. It's super lightweight, 44 pounds with the battery removed, and when it's folded, it takes a really compact shape. When you're ready to go, setting it up is a breeze. Literally takes 3 steps and you just use the throttle and go enjoy some fresh air. It does have a rust-free aluminum frame that can hold up to 350 pounds. It also comes equipped with an LED headlight and full suspension, which makes it super comfortable, especially if you get the upgraded 18-inch wide seat. Either way, the standard 13-inch wide seat is super comfortable too. Now make sure you ask about our special right now. Not only are we offering tax-free sales, free shipping, but we're also able to give you a discount on your next purchase if you're interested in getting the Triaxe Sport. So if you're planning a vacation soon, whether it's in an RV or an SUV or even an airplane or a train, the Triaxe scooter can fit almost anywhere. It also has a cargo storage rack in the back that you could store your luggage or a cooler on, and one of the largest front baskets out of any scooter I've ever seen for free. Now, if you want to see full specifications like the folded dimensions, the unfolded dimensions, and things like that, wait till the end of the video. I'll put them on the screen. I do want to tell you about the warranty. It is going to come with a 6-month limited warranty on the battery, a 12-month limited warranty on the motor and electronics, and a 3-year warranty on the frame. If you have any other questions about this scooter, or if you want to talk to one of our friendly non-commissioned sales experts, give them a call with the number on the screen below. We'd love to earn your business. You can also post any questions you have in the comment section, and we will get back to you within 1 business day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.